push and ride. There you go. Good job.
Oh! There you go.
There you go.
Yeah! There you go, bud. Woohoo!
I was taking a walk when I saw you pass by. I thought I saw you looking my way, so I thought I'd give you a try.
Put your feet on it, bud.
Ride it with your feet.
When I saw
Put your foot on. There you go.
smile, I saw a
2
dream
feet.
come
Now maybe Mom will push you a little bit.
So I asked you, baby, what you gonna do? 'Cause I have been waiting for a long, long time for a boy like
Yay.
I was made for you. I was taking a walk when I saw you pass by. I thought I saw you looking my way, so I thought I'd give you a try. When I saw you smile, I saw a dream come true. So I asked you, maybe.
Hey, bud, can you share with Mia? Can you give one to Mia? Can you give her the purple one? Hey, thanks, bud. Happy birthday, dear Walter. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow them out? Blow it out. Hard. Blow hard. Blow hard.
Oh!
How old are you?
2! Yay!
Good job, bud. And then you get to eat the muffin.
Now you get to eat the muffin.
Yeah.
Ow.
That's how birthdays go.